He's my patient, Mr. Selamo from Ethiopia. You can tell what you experience.
Okay. My name is Salamu Zode. I came from Ethiopia. I am suffering for snoring starting from the childhood until now. But in our country there is shortage of materials. I need to go here, Apollo Hospital, to get robotic surgery. When I get robotic surgery, torse and septoplasty, Dr. Kalpana Nagpal did for me. After that, everything is okay. Now the time is check-up. During sleep, no snoring, no choking. All are normal. In our country, so many people suffering like this. God bless her politeness. Thank you for the last 4 months. I got good sleep without any challenge. That is why I come here for checkup. Thank you.
Mr. Selamo came from Ethiopia 4 months ago for snoring disorder. So we did a polysomnography and then upper airway endoscopy. Polysomnography showed moderately severe sleep apnea. So we have all the indices here. Now after 4 months, he has come for a repeat sleep study. The treatment that we offered was transoral robotic surgery for base of tongue reduction, and along with it he underwent palatoplasty and septoplasty. Now after surgery for snoring and sleep apnea, we offered a repeat sleep study. So we got the repeat sleep study now, and the repeat sleep study has shown significant improvement in parameters. His AHI, that is apnea hypopnea index, has come down drastically. He's almost cured now. And even the other indices like arousal index and even the NADR, that is minimum oxygen saturations, has improved significantly. He's symptomatically much better. His wife says he doesn't snore anymore and there are no jerky movements during sleep. He has a quiet sleep. It's very gratifying to see these results. So how transoral robotic surgery has changed the future of sleep apnea treatment. So more and more patients are coming from far and wide for treatment of sleep apnea now, especially for robotic surgery, because previously there was only one gold standard for treatment, that was CPAP, auto CPAP. Along with it, the surgeries that were offered in the past did not give good results, but the current scenario has changed and now robotic surgery has given us very gratifying results. So we are comparing sleep studies from pre-operative and post-operative, and it is really giving us good results.